Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Bhoi district shan kan sasakhi sakawai pat ka project ka ba compare bat le se ka baningkong ka jela ka beratip kum ka Bhoi bamboo park ya ka ni project ka bla persang bat sedang da jingbei tingka jong ka Shnong Mawtnum ha ka jaka ka ba he kum ba san akar ai harut ka surok ba Shillong Guwahati ha Mawtnum lawan banbu maunong rim da u James PK Sangma Chairman jong ka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation Limited mentakasngi. Hari ini jingalang bu mau nongrim mentakasngi lawan banedan ringkat ru da Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ka Sning uba Donbok Khamdet MLA Barim ka Mohti uba Didi Ndong Mali Managing Director ka MIDC uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi uba Badhok Ndong Mali rangba Shnong ka Mawtnum nalor kiwe de. Haba ajing kran akan ngasngi u James PK Sangma ulaong bakumba ya usit la jutip ru kum ka ksiar jerngam lani green gold kajing penan kam ya usit haki jalan kam bamana kasngi klempap kan wanra ay kajing kala ka bakraw haka yok ka kot bar ka kamay kaji kumba kalong ka ksiar bat ka bakam su tanat shushu kalong ka Pynneh Pynsah ru ya ka Mariang. U James PK Sangma ulapun pawru ka jing skumen ban yu i ka jing snok tilang jong ki paj ba nong Shnong halor ka ni ka project kam tam ya uba bat hok nong mali bat uba kamay nong mali kibade ka japieng jong ka ni ka project ka bala ban wanra jingkala haka yok ka kot lingba ki karkhana ki bam kata ya ka Mariang bat ki bakin tiaw shaprang ya ka roy ka par ha ka jela shushu u James PK Sangma ulapun pawru ka jingkat men scam bakani ka project kan yai net slam bat kan wan ra ru ka jingkala ha ka yok ka kot jong ka Bhoi district bat ka jela hi baro ka wei lingba ki jat kam lani ki karkhana ki bayai ne bat ki bam kata ya ka Mariang.
And then with this wooden
So you want to say? So basically, wait is
ayam do bulan April, May, June.
Any formality?
Semua berkomsan juga beli ketika Bhoi bambu park ketika kalau halor kena orang ban Aikam Aijam ki pun semula ke juniaju ke puan kena orang ke juni hak bangila punun kam yo sit nomor katung ke jintip ke bangi lalum lalang usik udah ditung bala kam hak kam baro bat lembah jong ni ke bambu park ke pengidon mentah ngidon kumba khatway teli ke unit ki ban sawan bat lai teli mentah ki lawan ke way kedai bambu tu pellet habang ila alot kumba si akar steng ke zakah mata ke way ke bambu tu baisha bambu tu charcoal bat ke way ke badang don hak proses kalong bambu tu animal feed bat lembah jong ni ke bambu pak ke bangi sedang hang nemo tulum kawai ke binle kalau binbu kawai ke training center nang mata kinong rep ke jungi kinong tanjing pun kam no sik lembah jong ni ke center bakin yo kin sayo ke betul babun kinong so Shnong dei tangga mutrum dei jongka dong Bhoi di bro kawai bat ni sadon ruh ni ke besanteli guest house bagi pun kam di sik ban Shna bahkan long benuksa ya kinong so Shnong jongka ri ke jungi ba Ila banle jum to isibon na usi nak bentar jod kam human kasih juni. Hadu bentahi ke jing sedang ke dina Shnong nyimpat yo kono no ke jing rapa soka. Bat ni don ke jing kerman ke baskam bang ini trelang mo sorkar lada ke hakiwe pat kipor nam ta kipu di project ke ronka. Ya mentahi ina pendot na ke Shnong. Ha ke jing lap junga lengba ke jing don kam ba ka perthei kam ka don kam bro mentah keno ban wanra ya ke jingna jisa ci Mariang ni don kam ki charcoal mo ki bambu tu charcoal bagi bro ci kata ibun kam ya kini ki renga ke jungi dak batang daki ding ki bagi simpor sinem kazan sinem bikin hek kensan dan reusit arsenam lalong maupun kam dan takadau ban ngidon sibon ke stok abi de busit ko ka Bhoi district ke jongi de lembah kata ke jungi lembah kata ke jingmat ke junga nyelap kabala ban Pynneh Pynsah Mariang kalong dangla dangi pun kam yusi hak jirun kam ke jungi tam ta ke kamai ke jungi.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank Almighty God for this wonderful, beautiful day and for blessing each and every one with an opportunity to be present in, I think, a very, very important day for this particular village and also for this entire region. Because I truly believe that this project has the potential and it will change the socio-economic landscape of this total area. And therefore, I'd like to first and foremost thank and congratulate Mr. Badok Nongmale, Mr. Kamailang Nongbale, all the promoters of this project in having conceptualized this wonderful project and also having come so far in making this a reality to bring about laying of the foundation stone, to bring about identification of this very, very strategic location. And I think we have to appreciate all the hard work that they have put in to bring this project so far. So first and foremost, my congratulations and my gratitude to Mr. Badok Nongmale and to Mr. Kamailang Nongmale and all the rest of the members of the Dorbar and people associated with this project. I think that when the expression green gold is used for bamboo, it is so apt and appropriate because bamboo is in every essence a green gold. And like gold, it has the potential to change livelihoods, to bring about and reap in a lot of revenue for the people. And like gold, it is everlasting. But the beauty of bamboo lies in its sustainable nature. And that's why today, when this project has been conceptualized and the kind of vision that I read about in the concept note, the vision of sustainability that has been mentioned in it, it really makes me feel very proud and happy that such kind of industries are being thought about in the state of Meghalaya. As all of you may already know, that the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, although the word industry will always mean industries which come at a cost to the environment, to our ecosystem, but our effort is now to promote industries which are sustainable, which instead of harming the ecosystem and the environment, will play a part where things become circular in nature. So that's why the effort of the MIDC is today to promote circular industry, to promote the circular economy, and to promote sustainable industries. And that's why today when I read about this industry and the fact that it's so holistic in its approach, I must say that I'm very, very happy to note that that is the kind of thinking and the vision that is coming up in our entrepreneurs, the economic landscape of this area. But I believe more importantly, it will also lay the foundation for a lot of other entrepreneurs to be inspired by this kind of sustainable industries, and the fact that an industry which is not just sustainable but also an industry which will, as the name green gold suggests, will also bring in a lot of revenue. I am very happy that there is a lot of community participation also in this project, that this has been done in collaboration with the Dorbar Shnong of this area, and the Dorbar Shnong is playing an integral role in promoting this project and also being a part of this project. I think that kind of community participation, if it does not exist, nothing can be sustainable in nature. And therefore, the community participation that is taking place here is something which will be an example for all of us to follow in the rest of the state. That without the support and the participation of community, no industry will be able to survive as we go forward in the future. I'm also very happy that when we look at the holistic nature of this project, that livelihoods is being taken into consideration, that not just sustainability but also innovation is also one of the visions with which this project was conceptualized. And innovation is so integral today because as we live in this very fast changing ecosystem wherein a lot of technology is coming, it is sometimes very disruptive in nature, technology. But with innovation, I believe that whatever challenges lie in the future, we will be able to overcome all these challenges. And therefore, when we talk about the way that bamboo provides a sustainable form of industry, I think that the sky is the limit. We are speaking about, as Dr. Celestine had just mentioned, that people can transition away from usage of charcoal, which is very, very harmful to the environment. Not just because trees are cut to make charcoal, but also the kind of emissions that take place. So with bamboo, I believe that the amount of impact, the carbon footprint of using pellets of bamboo will be much, much lesser than other harmful forms of charcoal.